Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Martel and welcome to Martel Online. So in today's video, we're gonna continue with Rain World, and I'm gonna try to get as much as done. I'm gonna try to get as much done with this as possible. So yeah, kind of forgot what was going on because I haven't played this in a while. Was I going to the left? I feel like it. Did I need a pearl for something? I wonder. Okay, so that's where I'm supposed to be going. Was I having an issue before? Did I get stuck on this area before? I feel like I got stuck. Okay, let's keep going. But yeah, I think I got stuck on this area before. All of the noms, all of the nomage. Oh, that's... I was wondering what that glowing was. Okay. Oh, I see those things. I wonder if they would eat me. I think it's the big one that would eat me. Yeah, that one. That one over there. If you see that shadow, like, doing the most, I think that is what I'm trying to avoid. Ooh. Are you gonna get the... Ooh! Okay, you're going after him. That's good. Ooh! Ooh! Do you see that? That looks so disgusting. Okay, so... do I go down? I feel like I go down. Okay, so what's over to the left? Huh? Can I eat this stuff? I think I can eat this stuff. Okay, cool. Okay, where are you going, buddy? I know. I'm trying to jump up. Okay, that guy went down there. Oh, got it. Oh, fuck. No, 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 no. Oh, my God. Woo! I literally can't see anything right now. Oh, that worked out. Move. Okay, hibernation. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh, you want to come in here too? You can come in here. The other ones can't. Did you get stuck? Well, that's your problem, buddy. Alright. Get out. You can get all the way out. How am I doing that in the dark? Okay. Do I have to? Oh, okay. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I can find a weapon. I know. That's kind of a pain. And I think I just like threw it without even... I know. Okay. There's literally nothing that I can get. Unless there's something in the water. Nope. Alright. This is just gonna be a pain. There you go. Ah, no, nah. I wonder if there's another spot that I can go to that would take me in the same area. Well, if I go, okay, so if I go up and I go around and I go, no. Oh, wow. Ha. Okay, alright, let's, I could try to use a passage to go to a different, yeah, go ahead. I'm really hoping that I can throw this spear and then that little, like, tentacle monster little moment can just, like, recede into the ground so I can swim past. But if not, then that's gonna be a pain to get over. Thank you for that. Okay. So let's see. Ooh. Oh yay! Oh yay! Oh no! Oh yeah! Alright, cool. Now I can go down farther. Okay, so now what? Alright, I can't go to the left. I mean to the right. Hey, but if I go... Okay. Oh! Okay, so I have to go to the right. That's annoying. It's just gonna keep trying to come at me. Whoop. Oh! Alright, so... I'm gonna need another, or maybe if I run past fast enough. Nah, that's not gonna work. Hold on a second. What's farther to the right? See you later. Oh, that's farther to the right. Hey. Okay, so that works. No! I threw something at you. So if it's like... Okay. Wait. Everyone's sleeping right now? Hold on a second. If that is the case, oh shit. Okay, so this one right here, let's say if I just kind of like, it gets me every time. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to wait for a thing to spawn there. That's kind of annoying. Wait, what was on the other side? What? Okay, that's lame. Wow. Okay, so there's nothing for me in there. There was literally nothing for me in there. Alright, I'm very confused right now. Oops, sorry, my bad. Did I get it back? Oh, huh. Okay, so. Alright, go. Alright. That was an ordeal, but I made it. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I think I saw another spear. There we are. Okay, let me just, like, I know. Whew. All right. Oh, really? There we go. There we go. I feel like I should eat. I only have 2 more, so... Okay. You know what? I mean, now I know how to get back the spear from the monster when I get it, so that's kind of like not really a problem anymore. Oh, I didn't even... What are you doing? There we go. There we go. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this area. Okay, I am not sure if I will be able to find food before I get to the next little, what's it called? Hibernation area before it starts to rain, because I feel like it's starting to rain right now. Oh, love that. Yeah, I wasn't able to get to the next area before. Alright, so where am I gonna find food? Like, in between those 2 hibernation station areas. Oh, I am about to get flattened like a pancake. But I'm gonna keep going. I wonder what those lights were. Okay, so now I have a better idea of what I'm trying to do. Alright, so the goal is to reuse this spear that I used once. So I'm gonna throw it, it's gonna stun him, I'm gonna swim in, I'm gonna get it, and then I'm gonna swim out, all before he comes to and drags me down. Okay, so Here it is. I have a sphere, spear. And yeah. Ooh. Did I get it? I did not get it. Alright. Well, that was an L. Hey! I could also, like, get a whole bunch of food from that one area and come down here. No, that would be a bad idea. Oh, you got me. You got me. You see how he just yanked him up? That's so funny. Alright, so let's try to do that again. The fact that I went to sleep with you in here is kind of annoying, so I'm gonna feel good when that's not a thing. Okay, so let's try it again. This time I'm gonna try to do it underwater, so when I hit him, it's like, boom. Oh, he got me. It's because I tried to swim back, because I don't think that I got it. Man, how was I able to do it that one time? I was so OP. If I was able to get food too? Or you know what I should do? I should go get food first. Well, I don't want to get eaten alive by those little things. Those little things that are like, oh my god. All I can say is that they're just like, they're like spiders, kind of. Ooh, what was that? Oh, there's... Okay, I see. Well, I think that there was 2 food items, like, later on. I think there was just, like, not... Oh, no, I need 4 food items. I don't need 3. Okay, hold on. Let me just try to do this one thing first. The fact that I keep missing it is just bugging me. Because I know that I can't throw a rock at it and, like... Oh, I can throw a rock at it? Lit. Watch me not be able to find a rock down. No, not you, buddy. Oh! There's a spear. Lit. Okay. Now, can I go around to get a thing? Woo. Okay, I can't eat it while I'm right there. And I can't eat it. Okay. Woo! Okay. Okay, so I know that there's 2 things later on, so let me just go through right here. Woo! That was so close. That was, like, so close. It's like I wasn't paying attention. I so was paying attention, but like I really wasn't. Okay, so there's 2 of those things right there. Cool. So I'm gonna need both of those. Wait, there's one down there. No, 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 I lied. Oh, love that. Huh, I wonder if I could get up there from... Nope, cannot. Okay, but I found the food item, so I can like relax a little bit. And just like start from that one area. Alright. La la la. Ugh. Cool. Blah blah. Ugh. Ugh. Wait, did I drop one? Oh, no, I didn't. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Alright, cool. Now I can go to that hibernation area, and then I can start from fuck. And I can start from... What are you doing there? What are you doing there, buddy? Okay. I was like very confuddled for a moment. Okay. Alright, cool. I made it to the hibernation area. Alright, so I've been recording for about... It's about time. So, hey, thanks for watching this episode of me play through Rain World. I'm gonna try to get this up and edited as soon as possible. And if you like me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna be trying to put out videos at least once a week, but hey, we'll see what happens. Life does a lot of different things, so you gotta be prepared for it. I never am. Whatever. Love you guys. Bye.